Hi guys, I'm Martin Unix and I'm happy to bring you a tutorial today on how to do two-strand twist on dreadlocks. But I'd like to make a humble request. Kindly, if you have not subscribed into my channel, hit the red button at the bottom. Make sure your bell is on for notifications every time I load in new content on my timeline. Welcome guys. Yes, great people. Thank you for being part of my family. And today I'm gonna bring you another educative content, and today we are going to show you on how to do two-strand twist. So I'm going to start with a portion at the forefront. That is I'm going to do the flat twist at the front, then do the two-strand twist at the back. So this is just one flavor on my two-strand twist style. So guys, two-strand twist can be, can last a long time, although this style can be time consuming to create. So typically it can stay intact for 2 to 6 weeks. So guys, what you need to note is that washing and deep conditioning the locks will keep twists locking fresh longer and keep the lock strands healthy. So guys, from my experience, I want to give you some tips on locks maintenance, and that is I'm going to give you 3 essentials that I recommend so you can keep your locks looking fabulous. One is moisturizing your locks daily. That is because African hair is delicate and craves moisture. So finding out exactly how much moisture your hair needs, it's important. And secondly, treating your locks with moisturizing treatment and protein treatment once a month. That is, if you do a hot oil treatment, then 2 weeks later do an hank treatment. Then you can repeat the cycle on monthly basis. Thirdly, retouching the new growth is paramount. So you should retouch the new growth on monthly basis, and this may vary depending on the size of your locks. Nonetheless, regular retouching contributes to the strength and beauty of your locks. So guys, those are some tips that I felt is important I share with you as usual, as well as learning the two-strand twists with you. So you will realize that two-strand twist is just a style whereby you pick 2 strands, that is, then you bring them together, then you twist over and under until the end of the 2 strands. Then you bind with the rubber band. Guys, there's a way you can do the two-strand twist. That is, you can either design to pick the strands vertically or horizontally, or whichever way you might choose. Then you twist over and under until the strands end. Okay guys, you need to note that there are special rubber bands for the same, which don't burst with time, and those rubber bands are as well capable to withstand burnt weather conditions, so they can give you good service. Now guys, this is our final outcome. You can see at the front I've done the flat twist, then it's well marrying the two-strand twist, whereby you can't see any difference. It's a nice style. You can do it. It can stay for a very long time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and share. Like my work, comment. Let's meet in the next tutorial. Thank you.